So what hits me is that we're at a turning point with technology. In Britain, in my country, we got this delicious thing called Marmite, this spread, a bit like Vegemite in Australia. And here's the thing about Marmite. If you put a lot of Marmite on your toast, then it doesn't taste too good. You can't really eat it. It's if you spread it thin across the piece of toast, it starts to taste good. And we're at a point of inflection here, I think, at Campus Party, where technology can either be used to accelerate consumption, to accelerate the rich getting more goods in addition to what they've already got. So we can either have a sort of a vertical use of technology, or we can spread the technology thin. We can have a horizontal use, where we use technology to solve the problems of the city. And if you look at a city like Sao Paulo, and if you look at the great megacities all around the world, they've got inequality. They've got catastrophic social and environmental problems. They've got a need to grow, to put power back into the hands of citizens, to be not just consumers, but producers, and to be solving problems. And I think what's fascinating about what's happening here in Campus Party is we see both these worlds colliding. You're behind these walls, 22 lanes of motorway. And yet in here, you've got these people who are building things for a different and better future. So you've got applications around energy efficiency. You've got applications where you're putting power back into the hands of citizens to communicate with government. A bit like See Clicks Fix. You've got the Brazilian version, Cidadera. You've got an application that I found that's helping farmers whose crops are dying and whose animals are dying move the animals to landlords who've got land where there is not drought or where there is not flooding and where those animals will be able to survive. All of this enabled by an app that's helping deal with the problem that there are 500 million animals a year apparently that are dying in Brazil. So what you've got here, I think, is the beginnings of a new wave of growth where technology is deployed to solve the problems we've got. And it's not about smart cities, it's about smart citizens. It's about open platforms, putting the tools into the hands of people to solve the problems that they can identify.